Hello boys and girls, this video is going to be looking more at comparing fractions. So if you remember, the past couple weeks we have been looking at comparing fractions, and remember the little trick that I taught you, that you want to look at both the numerator and the denominator. First look at the denominator and see if your wholes are the same. So if your whole is split into the same number of equal pieces. If you do that, and you find that the wholes are the same, they're cut into the same number of pieces, of equal pieces, then all you have to do is look at the numerator and see which number is bigger, which fraction has more pieces. But, like in these cases, look, our denominators are different. So I have the same size whole, but they're split into two different amounts. Okay, so this is split into 7 equal pieces, and this whole is split into 4 equal pieces. When that's the case, you have to remember that even though this number is bigger, that doesn't mean that this fraction is bigger. If the denominator is bigger, what that means is the pieces are smaller because the whole is cut into more pieces. So the best way that I like to look at it is I like to draw out a picture of it and compare the two and kind of look at which one's bigger. So in this instance, in our first example, we have 2/4 up at the top. We have 2 of our 4 pieces. And then down here, we have 3 of our 7 pieces. Okay? Now if you notice, look really closely, look at where this hits. It hits right here. So it's not quite as much as 2/4. So 3/7 is a little bit less than 2/4, just a little bit, but it's enough for us to say that 2/4 is greater than 3/7. Now let's look down here. Down here I have 8/14. So my whole is cut into 14 equal pieces, and I've shaded in 8 of them. And down here I have 2/3. My whole is cut into 3 equal pieces, and I have 2 of those. So which one is bigger, 8/14 or 2/3? You got it, 2/3, because look how much more we have with our 2/3 and how much less we have with our 8/14. So 2/3 is greater than 8/14. So this week, see if you can dive a little bit deeper into looking at and comparing fractions. Have fun!